This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Alright, we're back home. Let's take a look at the result. You see that the MGS5 actually did it well. 6.1 second roughly. It's supposed to be 6.3 a second. And then I found out that this car is relatively light. Many cars, they weigh over 2 tons, usually in this class. But here only 1.8 tons. 231 horsepower, 160 kilowatt. It's good. 6.1 second. I mean, yeah. What should I say? Some of the other cars like ID7 Pro, right? Is that the ID7 with rear-wheel drive? Yeah, you see, it's so heavy. So even though it has 286 horsepower, it is actually slower than the MGS5. But was this with, okay, it was with winter tires. Okay, so maybe with summer tires, the ID7 is roughly as fast as the MGS5, but almost as fast as the ID5 GTX. But this is the old version. So I mean, around 6 seconds is quite decent. And then also just in comparison, let me see. I think we have it here somewhere. Yeah, e-tron 50. This is the old e-tron 50. But okay, whatever. Faster than Kona, huh? Okay. Kona owners, they can just go home. And then noise levels, also quite good. With summer tires, they tend to be slightly noisy than the winter tires, but around 66 decibel is good on average. And you can see here the position here compared to the top, right? Okay, the quietest cars, they have low noise level, but it is on rank 25, right, on the summer tires. And let's see now how big is this list. It actually goes past 100. Yeah, 100, a little bit over 100. So there you guys have it. If you want a good performing EV that doesn't cost that much, this is the 64 kilowatt hour luxury with all the goodies, 360 camera, heat pump, all that stuff, right? It costs only 350k. You're gonna be searching for a long time to find any other car with the same performance, comfort, soundproofing, space. I'm gonna test that eventually. For this price, right? Maybe Elrock, but then can you expect Elrock for 350k with all this equipment? I'm not sure about that. Anyway, I think that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.